In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs faster. Whether you're working on a tight deadline or just prefer to streamline your workflow, optimizing the speed of your ElevenLabs can make all the difference. Let's dive in. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, simply open it up and get ready to start. Browsers are your gateway to accessing ElevenLabs, and ensuring that you have a reliable internet connection can also aid in a smoother experience. Next, you'll need to sign in to your ElevenLabs account. On the home page or the designated login page, enter your credentials with your username or email address and password. Remember, keeping your login information secure is essential, so make sure you're only entering your details on the official website to avoid any potential security issues. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Now, while you're inside your ElevenLabs dashboard, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find the sidebar. If you're not already familiar with navigating the interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The sidebar houses several features and settings that you can adjust depending on your needs at the moment. For this specific task, what you're looking for is an option labeled Speed. Once you've located the speed control, which should be fairly straightforward, here's where you can fine-tune the performance to better suit your requirements. You'll notice a slider, and this is your main tool for adjusting how fast ElevenLabs operates. To speed things up, click on the slider and drag it to the right. This will effectively increase the processing speed of the application, allowing for quicker responses and overall dynamism. Conversely, if you need to reduce the speed for any reason, simply drag it to the left. This flexibility can be especially useful if you're working with detailed or sensitive content that requires more deliberate action. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've just optimized the speed settings on ElevenLabs to better match your current working conditions. Remember, these changes can be reverted or adjusted at any time, providing you the versatility needed for different projects. So whether you're aiming for efficiency or precision, tailoring the speed settings offers you the flexibility to achieve what you need. Thank you for tuning in to today's guide on making ElevenLabs faster. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, or share with others who might benefit. As always, stay tuned for more helpful tips and have a great day optimizing your digital workspace.